Have you ever heard this humming sound during a flight? Many passengers think something is wrong when they hear it, but the truth is actually very different. In this video, we'll explain what that humming sound is, where it comes from, and why it's completely normal. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why there's no reason to worry when you hear it. This humming sound usually comes from the aircraft's hydraulic and electrical systems. While flying, control surfaces like wings, flaps, and rudders constantly make small adjustments. These movements are controlled by hydraulic systems. When hydraulic pumps are active, a low-frequency humming sound can be heard inside the cabin. This often happens after takeoff, during descent, or when the autopilot is making adjustments. For pilots, these sounds are not a problem, they're information. Pilots are trained to recognize exactly what each sound means. This humming sound is a sign that the systems are operating normally. Inside the cockpit, everything is constantly monitored, and any abnormal situation would immediately trigger alerts. Many passengers confuse this sound with engine noise or think the aircraft is struggling. However, engine sounds are usually louder and very different. This humming sound does not indicate any danger and can be heard on almost every flight. So the next time you hear this humming sound during a flight, there's no need to worry. It's simply the aircraft systems working exactly as they should. In the next video, we'll explain more mysterious sounds you hear while flying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what aviation topics you'd like to see next.